Hey everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. In this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about face protection. Now, I'm not talking about just, wearing a dust mask, which is actually lung protection. I'm talking about the things that protect your face from debris and stuff. Most commonly used is a face shield coming down for like when you're grinding something, protect your eyes, protect your face from being hit by flying bits and pieces. There's face protection for the winter time, like a scarf, but there's also the wrap around Velcro things that just go on there to protect your face from the extreme cold and blowing ice and wind and stuff like that. Think of all the times you might need something protecting your face and whether or not you have something that'll work and do that. One of the things that comes to mind, thinking back to my youth, we were going through the brush and stuff, and some of the guys, they had their hats on and stuff, and they turned the hats around backwards so the hats didn't get flicked off, but their face was getting scratched by the branches and stuff. And a couple of us had a sort of like a ski mask, only it wasn't the same type of material that we put on, and it was almost like a denim material we had back then, and it kept protected our face from scratches and stuff like that. So think about it, the things that you do, because only you know the things that you do. What do you need to protect your face, and what's going to work best for you? And then think about adding that to your preps. All right, so stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish like going unprotected. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing. Learn a new skill